Hello all, this is Aditi Agarwal and I heartily welcomes you all on my channel Streaming with Aditi. In this video, we are going to talk on this topic, that is our hair monsoon ready, what mistakes we all do and we really need to overcome because of our hair is at its weakest point during the season. What are some tricks and some tips which we really need to follow, and I will also tell you some of my hair care routine. So yes, without any further delay, let's get into this video. Monsoon. It not only brings smile on our face but also some of the complexities related to our hair and our skin, and we really need to overcome that. Monsoon can really cause a very huge damage on our hair because of the climate. The climate is very sticky in this monsoon season. There is a lots and lots of excessive humidity present in the atmosphere. In fact, our hair is at its weakest point during this season, and we really need to take a very good care for our hair so that it won't get damaged. So there are 5 major and common problems which I personally noticed. Firstly, the hair loss or the hair fall. Second, the itchiness. Third, the dandruff. Fourth, the fungal infection. And number 5th is frizziness. These were the 5 major problems which we saw and which we notices every time in this rainy season. Now let's talk about the solutions to all these problems, and what we can actually do is, number 1, just stick to the simple hairstyle, because using machines like straightening, curling, blow drying machines, all these machines actually causes a lots and lots of hair damages, and we should avoid using that during this period of time, during this season especially, because our hair is at its weakest point, as I already said that. And also, what we can do is just do braids as much as we can, because braids will keep our hair detangled. Also, the lesser chemical we will use and the fewer breakages and hair fall we face. So yes, we should always stick to the simple hairstyle during this season especially. Number 2 is just cover up your hair before heading out. I know that we all love going out during this monsoon season and we all love getting wet, but occasionally it's good. But we should try not to let it happen daily, because we already know that we live in a city and there is a lots and lots of chemical pollutants present in this atmosphere, and also to the rain droplets. So we should not let our hair get wet during this season because of the rain especially. And the best we can do is just use rain cap or shower cap before heading out of the home, because they will really keep your hair dry, and it can save your hair from getting damaged. So yes, just use a rain cap or shower cap, and do not go outside before covering your. Now the number 3 is never tie or comb your wet hair. In case you are going out and you couldn't able to cover up your head and it gets wet due to the rains, so don't ever clip it up or just comb it up when it is wet. Just let it open and let it dry by itself naturally. Do not use blow drying also, because it will really causes the breakages and the hair fall will start. So never clip your hair and comb your hair when it is wet due to the rains. Number 4 is oiling your hair frequently. Yes, we should actually know that oil is our best friend in a rainy season also, because it will really replace all the moisturizer present in your scalp which is lost because of all the pollutants, and only oil can replace that. Also, we should use coconut or olive oil for our hair during this rainy season. They are very good, and they can actually replace all the moisturizer present on your scalp. Also, night before you wash your hair, just oil your. If you are facing a lots of itchiness problem because of the rainy season, and what you can actually do is make aloe vera your best friend, because aloe vera is a natural hair treatment herb. Do one thing, just take some amount of aloe vera, and it can be fresh or it can be aloe vera gel, anything. Take that and mix some coconut oil into it and just rub it on your scalp, and then wash your hair. Do it at least twice or thrice a week, and always when you are doing it, when you are washing your hair, before 1 hour you should do this aloe vera thing, because it can really keep your hair moisturized, and it will remove all the itchiness and the dandruff from your hair. So yes, make aloe vera your best friend if you are facing itchy. The solution for oily hair is just use clear based shampoo and not the cream based shampoo, because you already know that your hair is producing excessive oil because of the humidity. So using the cream based or moisturizing shampoo doesn't, it will not help. Another thing you can do is take a half glass of rose water and mix half glass of normal water into it, and then rinse it after you shampoo your hair. It is really effective. It will remove oiliness from your hair actually. Another thing I want to say that just you use conditioner or oil only on your ends and not on your scalp, because your hair and scalp is already oily. So just use conditioner and oil on your hair ends. For the frizziness, I want to say that just use coconut oil or almond oil and do oiling on your scalp at least twice or thrice a week, and in this motion, like I'll show you, in this motion you need to oil your scalp, because your hair needs a lots and lots of moisturizer, and these two oil are having a very good amount of moisturizedness, and it can really moisturize your hair. Also you can do is just replace your conditioner with hair mask, because hair masks are really effective, and do not use conditioner if your hair is facing the frizziness problem. Dandruff issue, what we can actually do is just use apple cider vinegar. Yes guys, apple cider vinegar is very effective if you are having a dandruff problem, not only because of rainy season but also you can use in your daily hair care routine. Add 1 spoon of apple cider vinegar with 1 glass of water, and just rinse your hair after the shampoo, and make sure that it goes on your roots. The water is going on your roots actually, and not only on the ends, because dandruff are on your roots and on your scalp. So yes, this apple cider vinegar can really reduce your dandruff problem. So yeah guys, just make sure that you are washing and oiling your hair at least twice or thrice a week, because it is very necessary. Also start having a balanced diet full of proteins and amino acid. It will really keep your hair healthy, voluminous, and all these problems will reduce because of that. So yes guys, this is all about the monsoon hair care, and I covered all of my important points. I hope you liked my video. All these home remedies are the remedies which I personally use for my hair care routine, and they are really effective. And if you try any of them after watching my video, then do tag me on your stories and I will love to watch them. I'll give my Insta ID on my description box, and if you still face any queries, then please just write on the comment section and I will love to reply them. So if you like my video, then please share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.